brackets onto this door. Oh, this one's got screws in it. Interesting. Clean the debris out of the hole. Those hinges are installed. Now we gotta install these ones onto this door. I'm assuming there's going to be 2 holes drilled in there. Yep. Just like so I want to install these. Now, these ones get installed with the long part towards the center of the door. Just like so. You press them in there all the way. Everything's lined up for you. The screws are already put into the latch. All you gotta do is tighten them in. Now, I set the clutch on my drill for these size of screws, usually about there, and it'll stop. It won't strip them. You can over tighten these easily. So we're trying not to. That's why I set my clutch. See, it doesn't keep turning. When you reach a certain torque, it stops and gives. Just like that. Now, they want us to clip the two together and then put this big nasty hinge on here, So we're going to do that before we put them together because they're going to be awkward if we put them. I'll do it now. I'm going to deviate a little bit from the instructions. Sometimes it bites me in the ass, but that's how I must do it. I always think I know better than everybody else. Oh, these ones got... Just push it in there. There's a couple of line-up pins. This one isn't in all the way. Oh, it's tight. Tight like a nun's cunt. Is there a way we can tap that in there a little bit or just work it? It's almost in. If I tap it down with something, it should come just going to put it on this cardboard. That's not marked